Hi guys, this is your guy Guest75 again, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna look at the unboxing of the Mi 11's brother, the Mi 11 Lite 5G. As you can see on the box, it's a relatively simple box, nothing's really special. I have this unit in 8GB and 128GB of storage, and in the citrus yellow color. So let's open the box, see what's inside. We got some paperwork to get out of the way. Next we have the device sitting below the paperwork, and it really does look gorgeous in this yellow color. Then here underneath we have the USB to USB Type-C cable that comes in the box. Has a little bit of orange accents on the inside. I'm just gonna leave it in for now though. Next we have the 33 watt adapter. This device does support 33 watts fast charging, which is still of course faster than any of the other leading brands such as Apple or Samsung. And of course, different from those brands, we also get the charger in the box. So if we take a look at the paperwork, we have the SIM ejector tool pin, of course. Inside we have some paperwork, some manuals, and in here we have the 3.5mm to USB Type-C adapter, as the device does not have a 3.5mm jack. Unfortunately, just put that right back. Next we have, as is customary for Xiaomi, TPU case, clear case, right in the box. So very generous of these guys. Next, let's finally take a look at the device itself. Mi 11 Lite 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G. It's very light, very thin. It has a 10-bit OLED display and a high-resolution 65 megapixel camera on the back. 64 megapixels, sorry. Let's just unpack it. And yeah guys, it feels really nice in the hand. Of course you can see the always on display there. It's just a very gorgeous and elegant device. It just looks incredible. It's so thin, so lightweight. And I have to say the finish on the back, the citrus yellow, is shimmering, and it just looks very nice. You see the familiar camera module that it has from its big brothers. And just all around guys, this guy is so incredibly thin, and it just feels amazing in the hand. We've got the volume rocker and the volume button on the side. It's just 6.8mm thin. That is extremely thin. That is iPhone 6 thin, so not a 6S but iPhone 6 thin. Also a gorgeous display. This display is 6.55 inches, has an HDR10 plus support and 90 Hz refresh rate. Got some speakers at the bottom, also at the top. So here it is. I had to bring in the iPhone 6 for a little bit. You can just see that it's nearly identical in terms of thinness. Also a little size comparison with my Mi 10 Pro from last year. And you can just see that it is, despite that device being pretty thin, it just looks kind of fat next to the Mi 11 Lite 5G. So that's been it for this video guys, and my quick look and unboxing of the Mi 11 Lite 5G. Stay tuned of course for the full review, where I will be diving into the interface, take a look at the power that the 780G can provide this phone, and of course also camera samples of what the 65 megapixel camera is capable of. Keep it locked at MiTech, and I'll see you guys in my next video.